Hello, and welcome to YIPA. We're excited you found us and our trainings, and on behalf of everyone at the Youth Intervention Programs Association, thank you for the work you do. Today, I'll be showing you how to register for our exceptional online trainings. So, let's go ahead and get started. The first step is to head to our website, yipa.org, which I've already navigated to here, and we're currently on the home page. If you hover over the Trainings tab, you'll see the listings for our live online trainings and on-demand trainings. We'll start with the live online trainings page and then move to the on-demand trainings page. Here you can see our upcoming live online trainings where you can ask the trainer questions and meet other youth workers attending the session. It's a great chance to interact and gain tools and insights in real time. If you're looking for trainings you can access right now, you can check out our on-demand library. Our on-demand library is full of recorded online trainings you can register for and complete whenever works best for you. The library is organized by the 8 focus areas that make up our competency framework, so you can easily dig into a certain section if you'd like to. You can check out these live online and on-demand training pages at any time to see what's upcoming and what's available. And you can click on any of the training titles or images or the Learn More and Register button on the right-hand side of the screen to register for them. As an example, I'll choose this on-demand training, Design Thinking for Dynamic Youth Work. This is what all of our training pages look like. We make them consistent so it's easy for you to get the information you need right away and go. We have the title and details for the training. There's a Register Now button if you're ready to go ahead and sign up, or you can ask a question first if you'd like to get in contact with us. There's a course description outlining the background and purpose of the training, along with learning objectives that really drill down into the big takeaways so you can be focused on those before your training even starts. Then we'll tell you a bit about your trainer, along with which of our 8 focus areas this particular training fits into. So, once you're ready to register, you can click the Register Now button. Once here, you'll need to enter your information, and everything with a red asterisk is required. After you've filled out all your information, you'll come down here and tell us how you heard about YIPA and the type of youth intervention that best describes your work. Then you'll check this last box and make sure you agree to our terms and conditions and data privacy policy. You'll also have a chance to sign up for our newsletters. Then check out as a YIPA member or a non-YIPA member accordingly. If you're not currently a YIPA member, once you click Check Out, you'll be taken to a new page to enter your payment information. You'll get a registration confirmation email that has all you need to access the training. If you don't see it, please check your junk, spam, or promotions folders. You can reach out to us if you're still having trouble, and we're happy to help. And that's how you register for our exceptional trainings. We're looking forward to seeing you again soon. Thanks for being part of the YIPA team.